Hey there, it's Gabriel, product manager for Runner SaaS, and I want to give you a quick walkthrough of our 16.3 plan. Let me share my screen for a second. So just as a quick reminder, Runner SaaS is the group that manages GitLab hosted runners that are fully integrated into GitLab.com. Today, the product offering includes Linux runners, GPU-enabled runners, SaaS runners on macOS, and runners on Windows. Currently, we are working on mainly macOS. And for the next iteration, our main goal is to finalize macOS image update strategy and production readiness to reach general availability. We're not sure if we can reach GA in the next iteration, but we are most certainly sure that it should be within the next 1 or 2 iterations. Top deliverables that we are looking into is using local SSD to improve IOPS for GitLab runners on macOS. So far, we've seen sometimes slow I/O operations. If you use brew install or brew update, for example, you need to install a lot on the runner. That sometimes took a while. So we are excited on those changes. Also, something that people have been waiting on for quite a while is the new macOS 13 and even macOS 14 image for the runners. That should also drop in the next iteration. The rest really is more background work towards GA. It's nothing that we expect big user impact, but it will most certainly push us towards general availability, which is great. There's one thing that we are looking into. We want to update our Google COS image to the newest LTS version on Linux runners. This means that some users might have to do some updates, but we're gonna release a big blog post describing what exactly has to be done. If you run a later Docker version, you might be affected by this. If you run one of the newer Docker versions that's later than 20.10.24, you'll not see any impact by this change. That's about it. We're excited to kick off this next iteration and excited for your feedback on the features. See you soon.